everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have another unboxing or unbagging. Came in a bag like this. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Got my blade. If you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, that'd be great, because when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a fabulous giveaway. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you ring my bell. Leave comments is always appreciated. And let's go ahead and unbag this one, basically. Alright, this is my Super Mario 3D World with Bowser Fury. Woohoo! For Switch. Alright, so I got my Cat Mario and I got my Cat Peach. So I can't wait to start playing this. This should be fun. I'm currently playing the new Animal Crossing. So is anybody playing that? Do you think it's a pretty cool game? Do you think it's boring? Give me your thoughts on it in the comments below. And are you looking forward to the new game? Let me know that as well. Were you able to get any of the amiibos? Those are kind of hard to get. So, alright, let me go ahead and open this up and see what you get in the little game thing. Yeah, I sent the other Mario amiibo back. They sent me 2 Mario cats and 1 Cat Peach. So I sent the other Mario back because I don't need 2. Alright, so that's what the cover looks like. Pretty nice. That's the back. Alright, that's pretty cool artwork with Bowser Fury. And I've been looking at some stuff online. This looks like it's going to be a pretty cool game to play. And you get your little game right there. Alright, try to get the glare off. It's kind of hard. Yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to it. Alright, has anybody played Nintendo since the 80s just like me? Let me know. It's kind of interesting how all these games evolved from basically Atari. So, it's pretty cool. You know you're old when nobody knows what Atari is. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.